Hello kids, how are you? Today I am telling you a story, The Crow and the Deer. Once there lived a crow and a deer who were friends. There was a fox who wanted to eat the deer. Hmm, first I should win the confidence of the deer, the fox thought. One day, the fox went to the place where the deer and the crow were chatting as usual and said, I wish to be your friend. The crow said, Sorry, how can you be friend with us? Why? Why cannot a fox be a friend with crow and deer? Please give me a chance to prove myself. I will be a good friend, said the fox. The deer said to the crow, Oh, he seems to be a nice guy. We can be his friends. The crow said, It's not possible. The fox said, That's okay, dear. Forget it. See you, bye. Next day, when the deer was alone, Fox came and said, Hi dear, there is a farm nearby where crops are rich. You can have green fresh food if you go there. The deer fell for the words of the fox and said, Okay, come on, let's go. The fox took the deer to that field. The deer jumped with joy when he saw the field. The deer and the fox became good friends, and deer stopped meeting the crow. The farmer of the field saw the deer eating the field, so he spread the net to catch the deer. Next day, the deer came to the field only to be trapped in the net spread by the farmer. Oh God, I have got trapped in the net, said the deer. Oh, my plan has worked out. My lunch is waiting for me, the excited fox said, and suddenly went behind a tree to hide himself. Meanwhile, the crow was flying above the field and saw the deer in trouble. The deer said to the crow, Oh, my friend, forgive me. I deserve this for not listening to you. You have warned me against the fox. The crow said, Forget it. The farmer is coming now. You listen to what I say. I will prick your eyes, and farmer will think you are dead and will remove the net, and you can run away. The farmer who came there saw the crow pricking the eyes of the deer. Oh, the deer is dead, said the farmer. When the farmer took the net, the deer ran as fast as he can. The deer said thank you to the crow. So, dear children, the moral of the story is we should listen to our good friends. Thank you.